Hello everyone, I am Anushka and welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about MATLAB and its uses and also how to use it. So let's begin. So before going into further details, I'll give you a overview about what MATLAB is and its usage. So MATLAB is an abbreviation for Matrix Laboratory. It is a high-level programming language designed for engineers and scientists. You can use MATLAB for everything from running into simple interactive commands to developing large-scale applications. While other programming languages usually work with numbers one at a time, MATLAB operates on whole matrices and arrays. It is the MATLAB language, a matrix-based language, allowing the most natural expression of computational mathematics. There are several alternatives to MATLAB, one of which is GNU Octave. It is a free and open source clone of MATLAB that's considered one of the best alternatives. Basically, MATLAB is developed by MathWorks. It is a proprietary form, so MATLAB is not an open source available software. That is, you have to purchase the license of that software. Why people are using more and more MATLAB? Because it has extensive library of predefined functions and it can be interfaced with various hardwares like several processors, Arduino, IoT based device, data cards. So there are various devices and hardware there through which you can connect MATLAB, and there's also an advantage to it, that is it has reduced engineering, designing and development time and cost. So I will not waste any more time here, and I will show you the MATLAB application and also how to plot the different types of graphs. So let's begin.
Okay, so now we will search your MATLAB online. This is the link which we will be using. You can see this page. Here, since MATLAB is not an open source, you have to create a MATLAB account. As you can see here, I have a MATLAB account, so I am using that. But in case if you don't have, you have to create one. After creating your MATLAB account, you have to click on this option, Open MATLAB Online. This page will be visible to you. Here you have two options. One, you can use the web version, and second, you can install it from this here. I am using the web version. Okay. Here you have to click this MATLAB Drive option. Okay, so now this is the page which will be visible to you. Here, whatever coding we are doing, we will be doing it in the new script part and not in the command window. So I click on this button, new script. Script has been added. Here, whatever coding we are doing, we have to run it, and here the graph will be shown. And whatever files or whatever tasks we are doing, as you can see here, I have already done some of my college tasks. So these are all the files. Those files will be saved here. Today in this video, I'll plot discrete pair of points in two dimensions. So for that, I'll be plotting a graph for roll versus marks. For suppose for in roll, I'm taking roll equals to whatever data you can take. Okay, I'm taking till 10. Keep in mind to keep the data in within third bracket, and after that you have to put the semicolon, otherwise it will show an error. Then I am plotting the maths for suppose. maths. Here I am taking the data as 91, 76, 73, 89, 77, 83. Whatever data you can take, I am randomly taking it. Okay. After putting, we will again put a semicolon. Then we can give another subject here, physics for suppose. Another random data. Sorry, 8.3. Again, we will have to put a semicolon. Then we will be doing plot. Plot is an inbuilt function in the MATLAB. Here, don't forget to type whatever data which we have given. See, here the blue color is representing that this is the data which will be plotted here. Okay. So if you, for by mistake, if the roll spell the small r you have typed, then it will be showing an error. So keep that in mind, that you have to put the exact same spelling, the same style, no change, nothing. Maths. Here, if we have to keep, plot the graph with the points, showing the points, marking it, we will give within the uh, this asterisk sign. Sorry, asterisk sign. And then again for the second set of data, it will be like this: roll, comma, physics, and whatever. For R here, I have written here RO. R means the red color, and O is the points, the bullet kind of points. That those are this O here, which is representing. In MATLAB, there are various kinds of different colors, color names. Okay, which you will be using whenever you are writing the code. For suppose for the color red, you have to use the R. For green, you have to use G. For blue, you have to use B. And for black, it have to be K. White, W. And in such a manner, it will be go on like this. Then we will be plotting. Okay. After writing the plot line, we have to save the file, otherwise it will not run. Here in the save, you will be seeing many options. Among them, you have to use, if you haven't saved the file earlier, then you have to click on the save as, and if the file has already been saved, then you have to click on the save option. Since I haven't saved the file, so I will be clicking on save as and save the file as test_1, and I'll be saving it. Now we will run it. So this will be the graph for this plotting. Now if we want to add some more functions such as xlabel. Xlabel is also another inbuilt function, which means we are defining the x-axis. Okay. So for that we are giving within quotations roll. and in the y label we'll be writing marks. Okay, this is the x label, y label. Now the title. So title within brackets. Here x label, y label, title, all the three will be in the first bracket. So title within quotations again, role versus marks. Okay, and then another thing we can use is the legend. What is it? Legend means we are showing that red color is for physics, for suppose, and blue points are for the maths. Okay, in that way it will be help us to understand which color denotes which subjects. So we'll be adding legend here. In the legend, for suppose maths, and then comma, and then again we'll write here physics. Okay, done. Now this is the thing. Here now we will run it. Yes, see, X label, Y label, legend, then title, all these four things has been added in the graph. Now we can see that if we are doing here R, or rather say B, because MATLAB takes, if we don't give any color input, it will take, by default it will take blue color. So if we write here B, let's see what color it will give. It's giving the blue color. Now if we write here K, see the color will change to black. Just see the difference. See, all the asterisk sign has been changed to black. And again if we add here for whatever color, for magenta if we use M color, then it will all be turned to M. See this. So whatever, and if you don't give anything, we can also see that if you don't give anything, let's just remove this and run it. See, this is given the line graph. Line graph, which one is the line graph? The maths one. Since we haven't given any input or we haven't specified any points, so it will be giving line graph, and we have specified the points for the physics one. It has shown the red points. And another thing is that if for suppose we want to change the line color to black, what we will do, we'll just add here K, nothing else, just K, and run it. See, the blue color has been changed to black. So this is the difference. Whatever you are doing, we have to just change the color or change the marking points, and the graph will be plotted. So now if I want to go back to the first plotting, that is with the asterisk sign, I'll have to put it and run it. See, the black line has been changed to blue plots. So this was the graph all about. You can change the data, you can change the color and try it by your own. This is just the basic. From here there is a download option from where you can download the graph. If you click here save as, the graph will have to save it and then you can download it. And this test_1, this file has been saved in under this file section, and this graph will also be saved here. So you can easily find all the graph and along with the code in the file section. Before ending this video, a very key and important information I would like to share. MATLAB is like a ocean, right? In this world also there are various types of oceans, so it is not possible to fulfill everybody's requirement using one single video series. So I'll try to come up with some more videos and to give a basic idea about the MATLAB application and how to plot different types of graphs here. Till then, like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.